Hey guys, how you doing? It's the dad, and today we are doing a little bit of remodeling in the RV. We're inside today, and as you see, I've already got, you look back up in here, you can see the seals up around the RV. And what I did, I went and bought me some brand new seals that I'm going to put in place of the old ones that I had. And today seemed like a good day to go ahead and get them out. I've been I kind of panicked a little bit when I first got started. I said, oh man, I better not take these out. But as you can see, I got all the seals out, and now it's just a matter of putting the other ones back in. And I also see a couple screws that are loose on the frame itself, so good thing I did take them out. Make sure that frame is good and secure. But we're here, guys, and I've got my stuff tore apart. I've got my new seals coming in. Well, not coming in. Here's all the old seals. Nasty mess. Them things are stuck up there now. That stuff actually glues in pretty daggone good. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this. You can see all the daylight in there everywhere. But I've got the new seals in the house already, so I'm gonna go ahead and just want to let you guys know what I was doing. Getting things ready to go. I'm actually going on another camping trip here, not this weekend, but next weekend up there in Virginia, men's trip. And it's going to be pretty fun. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure I got a couple more things I need to get done before I take off again while I got a little break. So anyway, I'll let you guys know exactly how it finishes up. And I've also got to do the slide in the bedroom. I'm going to take that apart and go ahead and put that back together. So anyway, deuces. If anybody else is having a problem with that, it's really not that hard to do. The hardest part is getting the right type of razor. You got to have one of these razors right here. The windshield razors to scrape off the windshield. And you need an extended one. Because I'm telling you, that it's hard to reach up in there. And it's even harder to try to get that stuff clean. So I'm ready to wipe it down, clean it up, and put the new seals in as soon as I finish the backside. Or I'm gonna finish this side first, then I'm gonna work on the backside. I won't have two open tonight. I can finish this one and work on the other one another day. All right, guys. Took me about I guess it took me about 35, 40 minutes, not even an hour, to get all those seals off and try to clean up the very best I could. Some of that stuff is just really black tar that I don't think is gonna come back off again. It's really gluey, so it's probably gonna stick to it. But I've tried to clean it up, and we'll go from there. Anyway, you know who it is. Brother Ashe, better known as the dad. Thanks for watching. Bell's RV is who we are. Stay tuned for the finished product. All right, peace.